보고 위주에서 한번 설명해 주세요.
Boom, you have to take it out.
Hey guys, so it is the final day. I'm here in Seoul and I'm actually going to a skincare clinic to do a collaboration with a clinic called Lamiche, and I'm so excited because I have no idea what they're gonna do for me. Hey guys, so this is what my skin looks like before. So hopefully I will look much better after my treatments.
Look at this forehead, please. Yes, to your face. Okay. Try not to mind the camera, just look at this forehead. We're just gonna take a few pictures of your face. Put it down your chin.
A little. Okay. Thank you. 자, 제 이마 좀 봐주세요.
Look at this forehead again.
자, 어느 부분 좋아지고 싶어요?
Tell him all your concerns, what you want to fix on your skin.
My main concerns are my acne scars, and then like the wrinkles on my forehead, how like big my muscle on my jaw is. I'm trying to slim it down a little bit.
잘 얘기하셨고요. 네. 보고 위주에서 한번 설명해
So
주세요.
you can explain everything of what you said.
그 올드 시붐 있어요.
Everyone has old sebum on their faces.
이걸 만들고 나가야
After
되는데
it's made, it has to go out.
못 나가는 거 굳어.
But if it does not go out, it turns solid.
자, 올드 시붐.
So that's your sebum. Those are your pores.
1 year.
Every year, they add up, they get bigger.
안 빼면
If you don't take it out,
커져요.
the shape becomes the same, bigger.
지구에 사는 사람 다 이래요.
Everyone's like this, everyone in this planet.
자, 어금니 사이에
Let's say if you that's been stuck in between your teeth for 6 months, how do you think the smell would be? Will smell bad. Same as with the pores too.
피질 안 빼면
So if you don't take out your sebum,
모양이
the
똑같아요.
shape becomes the same.
오래되면
After a long time,
균이
it
들어가요.
will turn into a bacteria.
그럼 백혈과
So white blood cells will attack,
요 근처가 빨개져요.
makes the surface red,
그리고
it becomes hard also.
확대해
If we
보면
zoom into your picture,
포가 붉고
your pores are red. Between the pores, you have normal white skin.
그러니까 이게 피부가 붉은 게
It's not
아니라
that your skin is red,
모공이 붉은
your pores are just red.
자, 그래서 이제 오래된 피지를
So
제거해야 되고
old sebum, you have to take it out first.
이제 구멍에서 레이저를
And we have a laser that takes out all the sebum and bacteria.
여기 보면 그래서
You see here?
포에 있는 붉은색이 없어져요.
You take out the redness from the pores.
그래서 포에 있는 붉은색이 없어져요.
Same goes with you. Take out the redness.
자, 레이저의
So
기본
basic
원리는
principles of laser.
갈색 레이저로 갈색으로
Brown laser, you get the brown
붉은색
spots,
레이저로
and red
붉은색으로
laser, you get the red
없애주세요.
spots of your face.
붉은색
Now here we use a red laser, we get the red spot.
지금 보면 여기 오목한 거.
You have a concave under your eye.
여기
Concave in
네,
those
여기는
areas.
좀 커지고
And then bulging on that side.
그러니까 이거 좀 줄이고
Then we can shrink
요거로
that part
콜라겐을
up.
만들어줘.
Put more collagen here, just to
그럼
flatten
이제
out.
여자분들 화장하시면 돼요.
Then you're just making makeup happen your left with lasers. Okay, so if you look inside the mirror, you see the small pink dots on your nose. Those are all the bacteria and sebum stuck inside your pores. And on the other hand, dark spots on your face are all the hyperpigmentation. So if you get rid of those two factors of your face will come out and looking more clean.
Alright guys, so I just got my consultation. I think I'm getting about like 8 or 9 procedures done, but they gave me a list of everything that I'm doing right over here. So I'm doing Ulthera, InMode, Icon, new Accolade, I don't know what that is, but some kind of laser for pigmentation, XLV, so I think it's to help with my double chin area here. I'm getting Fraxel for my acne scars. I'm also getting, oh, there's so many things on this list, guys. I feel like I'm being humbled so much right now. So I'm also getting a skin Botox for my wrinkles on top here, and then also a V OLED. So again, for my double chin, because my main concern is my double chin area here and how it's like really bulgy. So I'm trying to shrink that muscle down and just make it more slim. And you know what's so cute, guys? They got me a free gift. Wow. It's so cute. So I think inside here are just a bunch of calming masks because my face is gonna get really red later, especially with all the lasers I'm doing, which I'm super excited. Did like this whole deep dive into my skin, and oh my gosh guys, I thought my skin was okay, but turns out it's like really congested in my skin, so hopefully everything will be fixed. But y'all, look at this. They have a laser called BBL. So it says the BBL laser is for acne treatment, pigmentation, vascular liaisons, can I English right? And also for tightening pores and hair removal. Wow, I want that. I want that BBL for my face and a BBL, you know what I mean?
진행할 거고 조금 뜨거울 수 있으세요. 조금 아프실 수 있으세요.
This laser, Accolade Laser, pigmentation and whitening. It's okay? It's good. Next, XL Laser. Ready? Implementation. Ready? Okay, 1 minute. A little hold. It's okay. Double chin injection. Botox lifting. 수고하셨어요. 오케이, 땡큐.
Hi. I just finished everything right now, and tell me why my neck just feels so snatched. Ah! Like I can feel like all the fat just like completely gone. Honestly, I thought it was gonna hurt more because of all the procedures that I was doing, but honestly, it was not that bad. Guys, one thing I do love about living in Korea is that when you get procedures done, no one cares. No one cares if you're walking around after like getting so much Botox, like your face is all red, or you have like punctures in your face. Everyone does it, so it's totally normal. But anyways, I'll let you guys know how everything looks like when I get up to my friend's house, okay? Bye!